Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a super fun one. I've decided to do a kind of like, is it a challenge? I'm not really sure, but it's called What's in My Bag? What is in my bag? And basically it's kind of like what you carry around with you in your handbag or in your boy bag or whatever you want to call it on a day-to-day. What are those essential things? Personally for me, I'm so nosy, so I love to know what's inside other people's bags. So if you want to find out what's in mine, then keep on watching. Also, if you are brand new to this channel, hey, what's up? My name is Defreitas. Over here, we talk about everything that's beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you're into that, then definitely give this video a subscribe and a like, and press that bell as well if you want to receive a notification every single time I post a brand new video. Let's do it. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm so excited about doing this. Honestly, so excited. And also, so many people have been giving me so much love every single time I wear this bag. Over on my Instagram, it's just Danny Defreitas. Whenever I wear this bag, guys, I feel like you always come through and you're like, oh, I love the bag, I love the bag, love the bag. So I actually saw this. It's from Dior. And I decided to get it as like a treat for myself. Like for me personally, I like designer things, but I never really buy them because I feel guilty, I feel bad. I never really treat myself just because I'm a saver and I like saving for a rainy day or saving for the future. And also because we were saving for buying a house, like for years I've just been saving, so I just feel guilty. I just really feel guilty. But I saw this and I had it on my computer screensaver for such a long time. Not screensaver, but you know when you leave it up? I had it on there for such a long time and I was just like, do I get this? Do I not? Do I get this? Do I not? This is what I'm like, guys. I'm not an impulsive buyer at all. And then I was like, right, let's do it. Let's get it. It's a super cute bag. I feel like it's a really nice size. This video isn't really about the bag, it's about what's in the bag, but I just thought I'd tell you more about the bag. Also comes with a strap as well, which is adjustable, and then you can just put it on. It has 2 different compartments on this bag as well. So without wasting any more time, let me show you what's inside the bag. Okay, so in here, I feel like this is real life, okay? So I haven't just put these things in here because we're filming this video. This is what I actually carry around. Like I said, there's 2 different compartments. We'll start with the front compartment. So this compartment actually has like slots for cards and stuff, but I would never put my cards all in there because if you're gonna swap your bag, then you've got to swap all your cards. That's so long, who does that? So the first thing I have in here is actually this, which is insane. If you've never seen this, if you've never heard of this, you need to get it. It's from a beauty blender and it's called their Blotterazzi. And this is just amazing for like on the go. Inside,
don't judge me, it's a bit dirty, but
inside you can see that there is this sponge. It's kind of like a sliced beauty blender. I didn't really think about that, but it is, you know, it's kind of like a beauty blender sliced. In here you actually get 2, but I've already used one and it got really dirty and I chucked it away. And it's like a little sponge. Wait, let me try and show you. So basically with this, it just really helps. You know when you want to touch up your makeup, but you don't want to add more powder on? So this is my toucher upper. Is that even a word? So basically this is how I would touch up my makeup. So I would literally just, oh yeah, there's a little mirror on here, right here. So I would just look at my makeup and then you just pat to remove any shine, or if your foundation is looking a little bit oily or cracking or whatever, you just kind of pat it on and it just smooths everything out. Like if you're getting that build up around your smile lines and stuff like that, then you can just kind of like pat it like this. You know, give it a little pat. And I honestly love this. I carry this all the time. This is amazing. It's super small, compact, on the go, and it has a mirror as well. So Blotterazzi beauty blender. If you want, I'll pop the links down in the description as well, so you've got that. So I always carry that around. That goes in there. Next up is the main compartment. There's only one thing in there, guys, because I just ran out of space. Next up is the main compartment in here, where we've got, I feel like we've got quite a lot of stuff. I actually think we do. So the first thing we've got is actually a lip balm. Oh my God, I'm almost finished. How is this almost finished? No, this is like my favorite lip balm. It's actually here right now. And that is a very good sign. If you ever see any content creators finish a product, it's a good sign. That means they like it a lot. So this is the Huda Beauty Silk Balm. Love this product. Really nice, super juicy. I always have a lip balm on me just because I just love a glossy lip or a lip balm. It's just easy. Do you know what I mean? Like, why would you not want to wear this? What else do we have in here? We also have this. You guys are gonna be like, what is this? But basically, whenever you take photos on a camera, obviously they're saved to your memory card. They're saved to your memory card, and you want to get them from your camera to your iPhone really quick. So most cameras, let me show you, like this for example. So this is just one little camera that I've got that you can just like vlog with, you can take photos and stuff. So obviously you've got the little memory card at the bottom. So instead of using the Wi-Fi on this camera to transfer it over to your phone, all you do, this is genius guys, is you pop this in here, right, like this, and then you just plug this to your phone. Genius! Ah, it's so cool. So it's so easy. Then suddenly all of the photos are in your phone. You just import the ones that you want, and it's super fast, like the fastest thing ever. So amazing if you're on the go, especially amazing if you're like you just want to get the photos quick. Also, if you're with your friends and stuff, I definitely find like when I'm with my friends and if we get photos of each other, it's just a really quick way, because let's say I use my camera to take photos of one of my friends, then I can just there and then stick it in this and then they can put it on their phone straight away. Genius! Where did I get this from? I know you guys are gonna ask. I think I actually got this from the Apple store. It's an official Apple product, but this is amazing. Obviously not for everyone, but if you're a content creator or just like taking photos and stuff, it's really good. What else is in my bag? Okay, and next up guys, we have my wallet. This is very self-explanatory, where I'm very scared here because there's like cards. Let me cover my cards. But yeah, it is my wallet. It's just a YSL wallet. It's just leather, black leather. What I love about this though is you can fit loads of cards in there. So this is amazing. It's just a card holder, but very easy. Super cute. It is what it is. I mean, I don't really know what else I'm supposed to say about that. Hopefully you guys like it. Okay, in the bag also we have a lip pencil. I feel like, see, you can fit quite a lot in here, you know, a small bag, but loads. I feel like it's like the Mary Poppins bag. So this lip pencil is from Victoria Beckham. It is in number 2. I kind of use 1, 2, 3, depending on what I've just got lying about. But number 2, I would say, is my favorite one. I love the formulation of these. I feel like they're very natural, very nudie. They just, for me, it's kind of the color of my lip. So when you want that like lip color, but just looks even, this is amazing for that. So yeah, it's nice and sharp. I tend to just sharpen it if I'm doing my makeup at home, and then I'll just carry that around with me. But very handy just to have a lip liner in case you need a touch up. But yeah, that's that. And then also in here we have, ooh, a little perfume. So right now in London it is so hot, like so hot guys. It's around about 33 degrees right now outside, and I think if you're by the beach, by a pool, living your best life, you've got iced mocktails, cocktails coming through, you've got ice cold pool, great. But in London, no. So yeah, I have been thinking about buying an aircon or a fan or something like that, but I don't really know if that's gonna work, because if I put a fan on, the mic will pick it up. Anyway, I'm going off in a massive tangent. Perfume. I don't know why I started talking about hot air, but yeah, perfume, you always need it. You want to be smelling cute, okay? We don't want no funky smells going on. So yeah, this is Sunset Riot by All Saints. This is their travel size, but they also have a much bigger one, and I love this. Love this smell. It's called Sunset Riot. But yeah, I carry this just in case I'm like on the go, and you know, like after you just wanna, especially if I'm going to events and stuff, I feel like you're hugging people, you're talking to people, it can be really intense sometimes, like it can get really hot. So for me, it's just like a quick little touch up. I love perfume, and I have a huge perfume collection. Let me know if you want me to actually do a whole video on the perfume collection, but I'm a bit embarrassed. I'm actually a little bit embarrassed because it's actually, I have 2 to 3 areas in the house where I stock and keep all of my perfumes, and there is still a box in our storage cupboard that is full of perfumes, which we haven't even touched since we've moved to this house. And yeah, I don't know. Most of them I actually bought. I'm just addicted to perfume, but I feel like I never finished one. What else do we have in here? We have some AirPods from the Apple store. Yes, they are very expensive. I was a bit shook. I was like, oh, really? Am I gonna get this? Actually, this might have been a present. I think this was a gift to me. I can't remember now. I'm a little bit forgetful. But like, this is good. There's some new ones now. You know, the ones that block the sound and stuff, which I tested. My friend Kwang has them and he let me try them out and it's amazing. It literally blocks out all the sound, but for me it's kind of dangerous because I'll listen to music when I'm walking around, and if I can't hear the car, I'm gonna get run over. So these are actually quite good because I can still hear things around me a little bit, and they're super good. I do feel like I wish the battery would last longer though, because if you're using it for a phone conversation, you're talking and listening, it goes really fast, which is not ideal. Then also in here we have my keys, just my house keys. Oh, it's from MCM, yay, cute. And last but not least, we have a face mask. So this is just a standard little mask, obviously with everything that's happening in the world right now. Just something that you have to put on. I know that so many people as well, I just want to say this, so many people have been DMing me and messaging me and commenting when I'm out and about, or if I'm with my friends and stuff like that, or when I was in Paris. And just to let you know, it's my number one priority to always make sure that I'm safe and the people around me are safe. If you ever, I think like a lot of my followers are basically from the US, and things are different in every single country. Currently in the UK, you basically don't have to wear this everywhere, but if you're getting in an Uber or if you're going to the mall, they say you should, but you don't have to. So it's a little bit confusing right now, but definitely in some countries there's more rules or different rules. So yeah, just make sure that you guys are always safe. I always just carry this around with me, and I really like this one because it's just a little bit lighter than my fabric ones, because I feel like it's so warm right now that the fabric ones just make me really hot. But anyway, that is pretty much everything that I have in this small bag. I feel like that's everything that I would really need. If I'm going to an event or going to take photos, then I also will take a camera or something. Either I'll put it across me or just carry it. And that's about it really. I feel like I'm actually really low maintenance. Anyway, that is kind of the end of this video. Let me know what you thought about all of the items in my bag. What item do you like the look of? Is there anything that stands out for you? Plus, what's in your bag? What's in your makeup bag? Let me know. What is something that you cannot leave the house with? That's what I want to know. Mine is obviously lip balm, I think, but you do also need your keys and your wallet to get around, don't you? Yeah, but lip balm is the one. I always have a lip balm on me, always. But yeah, that is it from this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed it. It's just a super fun one. It's just a fun one today. But yeah, if you are still with me, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.